What is going on, guys? We are starting out the video here. We got the S550 back, and I want to go get some new tires for it. We're going to pick up some 305/30/20 Michelin Pilot 4S. We got the wheels loaded in here, the Belgian VMB 7s. We had a 305/35/20. We had a 305/35/20 on these, but we did have a lot of camber in the car, which allowed us to fit a big tire, but didn't allow us to hook up at all. So we did get quite a bit of camber wear, you know, if you look right there and on right there. So we prematurely wore out these tires. We now have corrected the camber on it, but these tires don't fit very well and they rub the fender. We're gonna go down to a 305/30/20, which has a little bit less sidewall, and we should fit it on here. The Michelin Pilot 4S is a great tire, great all-around tire for rain traction, dry traction. It's not the best hooking tire, but it does a really good job. So we're gonna head down and pick up those tires and probably go to Tyler Ice Cold Auto Air Muffler, get the tires mounted and balanced. And then I think we're gonna go Modular Head Shop, check in on the Bullitt. A lot of stuff to do today. We're gonna bring you guys along with us, and yeah, let's do it. We're gonna hop in the F250 and head down to Orlando. We got a Shelby here. Wow, this thing looks dirty. Kona blue. It looks like it was sunk. What is going on with this? GT500. Maybe you just bought it from auction. I don't know. That thing is dirty. All right, we got the tires. 305/30/20 Michelin Pilot 4S. We got both of those. 305/30/20. These should be a little bit better for the S550 in the fitment, and obviously not camber worn. So we're gonna go head over and get these mounted up, so that way we're good to go on the S550. And then we'll get the transmission swapped Monday, get that car ready for the next thing. We got Mr. Tyler here.
What's up?
Gonna be mounting up some tires. We got some fun stuff in here today.
Oh yeah.
It's a GT350. And you have two single turbo 3.7s.
Probably the only shop that would have two 3.7 single turbo cars.
Yep. There's one over there, I'll show you in a second. And then there's one over there. Yeah. Two single turbo 3.7s.
So there is hope if you have a 3.7 of going fast.
If you spend the money.
Everything takes money. So.
Yeah, most don't spend the money. I mean, it's still $7 grand at least, what, for the turbo kit? You know, plus install, plus tuning.
The hard part is the manifold. You can't really get a manifold unless you buy a kit, so you have to custom make the manifold. It's really expensive. Which is what we did on the blue car outside. We custom made the manifold.
No shit. I'm gonna go check that out. All right, so single turbo, 3.7 liter V6. That is cool. These things will actually take a lot of power, surprisingly, so I'm excited to see this thing done. Mishimoto intercooler. Yeah, this will be cool. And then there's another one here as well. And that one is right here. I would love to just go like completely ham on one of these V6 cars, just complete build, strip the car, keep it on like stock style V6 wheels, drag tires, just sleeper. Because you can make a lot of power with these. The engines are super cheap. Yeah, so single turbo. Looks sweet. And if this car had a hood on it, you would think it's just a regular V6. So, very, very cool. Exhaust hooked up. Yeah, this is a sleeper. You could probably make about 600 horsepower easily on a stock motor. Very nice. Yeah, there's actually a good amount of room. You can see the hot side a little bit right there. I love turbo things. So cool. So Barnes V6 Performance Shop.
It's a curse.
No, they look sweet.
Triple zeros.
All right, so we got the wheels and tires mounted. I'm actually gonna get a bed liner real quick, just to drop in one, because this is disgusting. It's pretty cheap. I know you guys want to see some nice bed liner, but I just need something because this looks awful. Alright, so we got the tires mounted up, got the bed liner. I know it's not the one that you guys would have wanted, but I just needed to get something because bed was looking pretty rough. We just got the modular head shop. We're gonna go work on the Bullitt for a bit, and got a busy day. I think we might be hitting the dyno a little bit later with Cody, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just getting ready to take off the trans, and I just found out this doesn't even have 2 of the top bell housing bolts. I didn't do that, obviously, but I'm assuming that's because they're stripped or someone was lazy. I've never taken this trans off before, but just thought that was an interesting surprise. Alright, so I think I actually have to get out of here, have to run back to get the trailer and stuff, but I think we'll finish off this video by pulling or dropping the oil out of it. I don't know why, but the drain plug is on the side. Either I haven't done an oil change in a long time and forget where the drain plug is, or this pan's different. Probably should have done the oil drain while it was in the car, but the oil honestly doesn't even look that bad.
Well, if they look brand new, then they'd be fine to reuse.
I don't really see any shiny metal flake in the drain. I'm sure there's metal in there, but not too bad. Honestly, I don't think that oil was that bad. Could still be some more junk in there, but
Yeah, that's a tough question. Okay. Yeah, if you want to,
alright, I think that's going to wrap it up on the Bullitt for today. I only worked on it for about half an hour. Got the harness off of it, got the trans off of it. I do have to run to go do some dyno stuff with Cody. I'll probably make that a separate video, just because I've been running around like crazy today. But we'll probably head home and throw the wheels on the S550 and get the trailer. Then we'll get on the road and head down to Cody. We'll get this torn down here pretty soon with Jordan, find out what broke, make a plan to build a motor. Alright, it is getting dark, but we're going to slap these wheels on real quick, and yeah, then we should be good to go. Alright guys, so we got the 305 30/20s on it. Still looks pretty thick. Still pretty wide. Hopefully it doesn't rub. But yeah, so S550 is back in action. We just need to put the trans in Monday at Modular Head Shop. So make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think. I have to run, go to Orlando, do a bunch of other things. You'll see that in the next video. But be excited for more stuff coming on this car, the S550 and the Bullitt. Gotta get the engine torn down. I run around doing a bunch of things today, but we will see you guys in the next one.